Hello, welcome to today's edition of Pegasus Test. On today's edition, we're covering the Swat blank firing impact grenade. All right, so we tested the Swat VTG before, the variable time grenade, and I wasn't thrilled with it. I got excited about this, the impact grenade, because we've been using the tactical bang can from Tactical Shit in our Moons Out match, and that works pretty good. And I was interested in this because it's a lot smaller and more compact, and it's $100 cheaper, roughly. Unfortunately, you get what you pay for. And one of the things you're noticing right now, as you can see, we've been testing it. The pin won't go all the way back in. And that's a good and a bad thing. It's still going in enough to act as a safety device. It's, as you can see, a regular cotter pin instead of a proprietary pin, which is, if you lose one, a lot better for replacing and making the thing safe. The concept is the same. You screw off an end, and you have a thing that you put the shell in, then you screw it back in and move the pin, and it's a live grenade. It works on inertia. They say that you can drop this thing from 1 meter and it'll go off. I can absolutely confirm that is not true. We have been trying and it has not worked that well. To get this thing to go off consistently, you have to have this be the impact side. You can't drop it on this side, you can't drop it on the horizontal side. It has to fall on this end. So you're not lobbing this device anywhere because you can't guarantee how it'll impact. But it is pretty good as a simulator. Knowing with the parameters that you have to use it, it can be used as, say, an artillery simulator or as a landmine simulator, something like that. The other thing about this grenade that kind of is frustrating is the surface it'll detonate off of. We're having our best luck on hard concrete. Some luck on hard stone, regular dirt ground. No matter how you drop it, it won't go off. Even if you sit there and just like, yeah, and throw it, it will not go off. It's too inconsistent. So I had high hopes for this grenade, but the reality is I can't recommend it. It's a good idea. They're moving in the right direction, but it needs more refinement. So now we've expended the grenade. It's reusable, which is really cool. So you open it and you see the shell in there like that. No way to pry it out. So you take the pin, go through this hole right here, and you push on it or push on it, and out comes the shell. And then knock out the debris, and you're ready to put another one in and go again. Another cool thing about this is it comes with 2 adapters, so you can either use 9mm or 22 caliber blanks as well. All right, one of the things I originally liked about this grenade, this is a 40mm grenade pouch for an M203 round. And this grenade, as you can see, fits in it nice. A lot of these impact grenades are kind of an odd size and they don't really work with any pouches really well. This worked perfect until we started having the issue with the pin being able to go back in. When the pin could go all the way in, it tucked in here real nice, and this was a great way to carry these grenades. And as you can see, being in a 40mm pouch, it wasn't taking up a lot of real estate on your gear. But unfortunately, with the pin issue, it's not going to look, continued use of using the pouch is not going to be a really good option. We'd like to thank you for watching this edition of Pegasus Test. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and tune in for future videos on simulation devices.